RMSpeltz coming at you here today, out on the roads, putting down gravel today. It's I don't know, about 50 degrees out here. It's evening. It's getting a little cloudy, and I've spread the gravel out with the skid steer, and now I'm taking the TR3 and trying to get it out where we need it. The TR3 is a great drag. It's been even improved since the model I have. I absolutely love it. I've got it at a little bit of an angle today, and I'm going to be putting the crown back on probably about a mile worth of the gravel roads that we have around the farm. It's a great little tool. I highly recommend it. I think it works fantastic. I'll show you how it's working today. We've got it on the 4720, and it's pulling it great. I don't know if you can really tell, but I've got the wheels set so that the left wheel is up higher, causing the TR3 to be down on the corner that's next to the shoulder, and it's obviously cutting in then more and pulling the material up towards the middle. And then on the top, I've got the wheel, which would be on your right, set to the back more, so it's higher, so it deposits it more towards the center of the road, helping build a crown. This tool is really good for fixing these gravel driveways in a heartbeat. I'd highly recommend it. This one is on the 4720, and it works absolutely fantastic on the 3720 as well, and on the brand new 44 that we got too this year. So as you can see, I'm just putting the crown back on the road. There's some washboard effect. If I go over this at a constant speed, I can show you my speed here. I'm running 2.7, 2.6. If I can stay right at that level, it works absolutely fantastic for getting the washboard out of the road. One thing nice about a drag like this is you're on a 3-point, which you obviously can buy this drag on a trailer pull too if you don't have a 3-point. But one thing that's nice about the 3-point is I can pick it up, I can maneuver the corners, I can reset and go over an area several times. I really like that about this drag. See that center scraper bar there? Lifting up and down as it goes over areas that it needs to flatten and level. Those teeth in the back are smoothing things out. Those big spikes are breaking up about the top inch. You can have them break up more, but I don't want to get down into my base, right at the base of the driveway. Come up the front of the hill where I've deposited the gravel with the skid steer. It's going to take just a little bit more power from the tractor to pull it up the hill. But again, I'm only running like 1700 RPMs, and this thing is pulling it quite nicely. You can back up with this tool too and remove brush, which is really nice. If you've got a couple miles of gravel driveway, this is the tool to have. This thing fixes our potholes, fixes our washboard effect. This has been a great tool on the farm. Got my son riding along with me. This is Grant. Say hi, Grant. straightened out the wheels, and with the wheels back in the same position, I can work the crown of the road. It's scarifying it very nicely. It's taking out the washboard effect. It's leaving a really nice finish when I'm done. See, I'm just kind of going up the middle now because I've done the edges already. Just putting a nice level surface on it. As we drive by, you can see some of the goats here. They're watching us like, what are we doing? Kind of coming into the home stretch here, finishing out the last of the lumps and bumps of the road. So in about 2 miles of driveway, I dropped 4 16-yard loads of Class 5 gravel. And I just kind of spread out the best I could with the skid steer and let the TR3 do the rest. Finished product. Look at that, there's a deer walking right across it on us. Beautiful way to finish the evening with a deer on the driveway. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like and subscribe and keep following our great farmstead and homestead here at RMSpeltz Farms, aka Reef DVMs.